primitive, and I think what's really
That's so weird.
Watch the new video.
Hey, what is up you guys? My name is Taylor and today we are filming a video, and in today's video I'm actually so excited. I always wanted to film a video like this, but I haven't had the chance, so I thought who better to film this for than my girlfriend. She's in the kitchen. She just moved into her own place, so we are going to be organizing her closet. I'm gonna show you guys the closet of what it looks like before, and then you're gonna come declutter the closet with me. And if anything, I hope this video inspires you guys to clean out your closet, because I know y'all nasty. Okay, so she actually has two closets. This is her first one, and this is her second one. We organized it a little bit, but I want to make it better. My goal plan is to go through, get all this cleared out, put this up here, organize. These shirts right here we're gonna put in like drawers. I got her drawers and stuff, so yeah.
Did you show them? Did you tell them it's Mr. and Mrs. Sweet Pea's birthday?
No, I didn't tell them it was our frog's birthday.
They're in love.
It's our frog's birthdays. Guess whose is whose?
Mine's the pink one.
You wish.
No, I don't wish. I like my green Mr. Sweet Pea. Yeah, but it's their birthday.
Look how clean the floor is. Well, we've to vacuum it. Who fucking cares if I curse?
Yeah, but you can get demonetized.
I'd have to be monetized first.
I thought you were.
No.
Oh.
I'm not that successful with you. That's clean too. It just has a drawer and then your chair that you use when you watch my soccer games. I'm obsessed. We got like multiple of them and they're gonna look so fucking cute.
Did it make it in?
Yeah.
Slay. Ooh, do it again. Wait, throw it and I'll hit it in. Bet. Bet. Ow.
Oh, we got Chinese food. I really don't have to do manual labor of my own.
I should have you do this.
Production crew. It's day 2, and if you're wondering why it's day 2, it's because it wasn't a one-day job like I thought it was. So we're finishing up today. It's mostly just like folding all the clothes and everything and going to the laundromat. So I'm gonna time lapse because I want to watch YouTube.
What the fuck?
sell it. $5.
$5. We just got back. We finished doing laundry. I'm gonna send you the laundromat video. Okay. And I put shorts on. And my girlfriend is making me dinner. Well, making us dinner, but still. So probably just gonna time lapse the rest. Here's the final look of the first closet. It looks so good. And here's the final look of the second one. It's so good. I have finished your closets.
Okay.
Oh, you want to see?
Yeah. Oh, wow. Thank you. Yeah, it looks nice. What's in here?
This is your everyday shirts, and so is this one because you have a lot. And the bottom has tank tops and long sleeve shirts.
Okay.
And then up here, that's like your undergarments.
We gotta get labels.
That's your socks. And like your work shirts and like jeans are in there.
Okay.
But that's like flannels and stuff.
Okay. I like this.
That's like hoodies and jackets and your fancy stuff. This has your pants. This is like your work pants and black pants. This has sweatpants and sweat shorts. And then your bottom is like your different kind of shorts, like those gray ones you have.
And then I see
And your pajamas. And up here this is your Columbia stuff, and I also put like stuff you hang on your wall there.
Okay.
This is your swimsuits and your chairs for soccer's right there.
Okay. Thank you.